Amazon FBA selling, who can use it and what you need to know in this straightforward explanation video. So let's get started. Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. If you are an existing subscriber, then you already know that we are a certified Amazon partner and we focus on Amazon UAE, KSA, Egypt, as well as Turkey. If you're looking for help and support and guidance and a team of professionals to help you, what are you waiting for? Scan the QR code that you can find on the screen right now to come to our website, or simply go to our website. You'll find it on the screen in front of you, or even click on the link in the description box of this video. Find out a little bit more about our services, from product hunting all the way to advertising management. Reach out to our team and find out if you would like to work with us. With that being said, this is a beginner video. So if you are new to Amazon and you're wondering, how does Amazon FBA actually work? And who is eligible to use Amazon FBA? What are the requirements? Do not worry, I'll break it all down to you in this video. But you need to promise me to make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that it will motivate us to create even more videos. Leave me your comments in the comments section below, and you just might win a 1-hour consultation call with me where we talk everything related to Amazon. The winner of this video is actually the person that left this comment on our last video. Congratulations. So what exactly is Amazon FBA? Amazon FBA, better known as Fulfillment by Amazon, is a service that simply allows Amazon sellers peace of mind. Amazon will be your fulfillment center, which basically means you just need to bulk ship all of your inventory over to the Amazon FBA warehouse. When a customer orders the product, Amazon is the one that handles packing, shipping, and customer service, making it much easier for you to scale your brand, specifically if you want to sell in marketplaces where you do not have a setup. So imagine you are living in the UAE and you want to sell on Amazon.com. The easiest thing would be to go through Amazon FBA. But are you eligible to use Amazon FBA, or rather, who can use Amazon FBA? Well, good news, Amazon FBA is open to all sellers. No matter what your level is, no matter who you are, how well known of a brand you are, this is open. This service called Amazon FBA is open to all sellers, all businesses of all sizes. You get it. Now, there are no strict criteria. There are criteria, we're going to talk about them, but there's nothing really that restrictive, so it's probably widely available. And yes, Amazon FBA, if you're wondering, is available in the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, as well as Turkey. You need to follow Amazon's policies because at the end of the day, you're sending your products to the Amazon FBA warehouse, which is owned by Amazon. So of course, there are certain rules and regulations we need to adhere to. We also need to adhere to the selling policies of the Amazon platform. Here are some key considerations, 4 to be exact. Starting off with the first one, there are product condition guidelines. You might be selling in a marketplace that does not allow for you to sell used or refurbished products, such as Amazon UAE. So the products really need to be labeled properly, and if they're new, they need to be new. Number 2, compliance with safety regulations. Of course, the products are going to be warehoused in a warehouse where other people are warehousing their products as well. So Amazon's warehouses do have safety compliance, so you need to make sure that you have the proper documents, or else you're not going to be able to warehouse your products because they might be considered hazmat, hazardous material, and you just might not be able to utilize the FBA. So make sure that you do your due diligence and understand properly what are the criteria. Number 2, you need to protect intellectual property or respect international intellectual property. You cannot sell counterfeit products and you can't infringe on anyone's rights. You can't take somebody's images. You can't just simply say that you're selling a product when it's really a fake one. Amazon will not allow you, not only for the FBA model, they will remove you from the platform completely. You need to accurately ship and label your products. Each and every product that arrives to the Amazon UAE warehouse, or any Amazon warehouse for that matter, needs to be properly labeled so that Amazon will receive it, or else you're gonna have some problems. Are there any restricted categories? Well, yes and no. There are categories of products that do have additional rules, so you need to review and make sure what type of product that you're selling, and make sure that your products are eligible to be warehoused in Amazon's FBA warehouses, or if there are additional criteria, you need to make sure that you comply with the additional criteria for the category. Lastly, let's talk about seller performance standards. Yes, there are standards specifically when you are selling on Amazon utilizing the FBA model, because Amazon doesn't want to simply have you warehousing your products without getting any sales. So Amazon does have performance metrics for both if you are an FBM or an FBA seller. If you are an FBM seller, Amazon is going to check your defect rate, your cancellation rate, and your customer feedback. If they're very slow, it's not going to be good. And if you are an FBA seller, your sell-through rate and your stranded inventory is what increases your IPI score and gets you more warehouse allocation. If they're low, then you're not going to be treated properly by Amazon, might I say. Now, you might have checked on Amazon and you found that there is something sold by Amazon and something fulfilled by Amazon. What exactly is the difference? Bear with me, I'm going to show you exactly on the Amazon website what I'm talking about, what it looks like. So if a product is fulfilled by Amazon, it means the seller still owns the inventory. Amazon just simply handles this shipping. More control for you as a seller. Amazon is solely responsible for the fulfillment. You are responsible for setting prices and promotions. However, if the product is sold by Amazon, then technically Amazon owns the product. Amazon sells the item, less seller input from your end. Amazon is responsible for the fulfillment, and Amazon is responsible for setting prices and promotions. As you can see here, I'm on this product and you can see that the product is being sold by Amazon.ae. This is another product. It says fulfilled by Amazon, but it's sold by the actual owner. That's the difference. So now you know everything you need to know about key considerations for Amazon FBA. Let me know, is there any question or concern that you're having with your Amazon FBA business? Leave your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I'll see you in another video with more information.